Yeah, family. Right in pan it, the girl. So here, get right in. You see how we red and pretty, you see how we look? Because we put in all our herbs. Lots of tomato to give us this pretty color. Now see we here? We come right down to custard and oil. We look at sweet pepper, we look at tomato, a piece of green thyme, and we'll scotch few pieces of scotch bonnet. Yes, and this is what we look like. Right in. And right now, we have, this is the time now, we're going to drop in the pieces of salt mackerel. Yeah, man. So I have some of my little head bone them. Yeah? Use your hand, family. Use your hand. Me put in some of my bone them in because me like my straight bone like that, you know. I love taste my straight bone. So I have some of my straight bone them in. And I look like that. Yeah, family? And this is what I look like at this point. Yeah. And I'm going to put in a little of my onion, but not a lot. Not a whole lot. And I'm going to put in a little black pepper. Because we're on a low flame. Yeah. So we're almost down to low now. And you know, for family you ask me if wood fire can come to low. Yeah man, wood fire can come to low. So I'm take out my piece of thyme. I don't need this anymore. Get right in. So you see? I almost not have no custard, but this is what I look like, family. Yeah? Few pieces of my bone and use your hand, family. And this is what we look like. Salt mackerel rundown. Yeah, from scratch. So you just incorporate all of your mackerel and you stuff them into your coconut milk. Right? And you have this jelliness. Look at it. Every single spoonful is mackerel and herbs. Everything is mackerel and herbs. So at this point now, we're just going to cover down and leave it to seed. So when you see us next, we have a rundown. So as you go along and you find your time, you can pick out your time because we don't need this because the flavor has all been ejected out of it. And this is what we look like. And I tell you, me leave some of this because me like this part of it, family. Me like the straight bone part. So get right in again on it and show them. This is what it looks like. Salt mackerel rundown, old school style. You cover it and you leave it to seed. Okay?